So my favourite exercise for improving overhead positioning and to help Carrie get that shoulder press looking a little bit cleaner, dumbbell pullover. We keep the knee, hip, shoulder in a straight line. Nicely done, Carrie. We're keeping the butt tight so that position never changes. And then Carrie's trying to make a nice big long arc overhead. And she's doing a great job here. Nice soft elbow. And we're moving at a pretty good pace because we've got a lot of reps to get through. So for the dumbbell pullover, this is going to be a key exercise for you. I like it on the floor because it gives you feedback. When we're setting up, we want to make sure you feel like the low back's in contact with the floor at the start here. The pelvis is just a wee bit posteriorly tilted. So we've got to tuck it under a little bit more. From there, we're cueing to you to shrug and make your space as you come overhead. Allowing the shoulders to travel up towards the ears. Keep the abs tight.
Our main focus has been our hand position, so the left shoulder